Have you ever wondered how government services actually reach citizens? From healthcare and education to public safety and infrastructure, governments play a crucial role in ensuring that essential services are accessible to everyone. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the journey government services take from planning to delivery and how they impact our daily lives. Whether you're curious about the process or want to better understand your rights as a citizen, this guide will walk you through the key steps and systems involved. Let's start by exploring what government services really are. Government services refer to the wide range of programs and support systems provided by local, regional, and national authorities. These can include healthcare, education, transportation, public safety, welfare, and more. The goal is to improve the quality of life for citizens and ensure that everyone has access to basic needs and opportunities. By understanding what falls under government services, we can better appreciate the efforts made to support communities and individuals across the country. Government services are delivered through different levels: local, regional, and national. Each level has its own responsibilities. Local governments often handle services like waste collection and local policing. Regional authorities might oversee transportation networks or regional hospitals. National governments typically manage large-scale programs such as defense, immigration, and national healthcare policies. Understanding these levels helps clarify who is responsible for which services in your area. Before any service reaches citizens, careful planning is required. Governments assess the needs of their populations through surveys, research, and consultations. They set priorities based on available resources and the most urgent needs. This planning phase is crucial for ensuring that services are effective, efficient, and reach those who need them most. It also involves budgeting and allocating funds to different sectors. Once priorities are set, governments must decide how to fund these services. This involves creating budgets, forecasting expenses, and determining sources of revenue, such as taxes or grants. Transparent budgeting ensures that resources are used wisely and that citizens can trust the process. Funding decisions directly impact the quality and reach of government services. Policies are the rules and guidelines that shape how services are delivered. Governments develop policies to address specific issues, set standards, and ensure fairness. This process often involves public consultations and expert input. Well-crafted policies help ensure that services are accessible, equitable, and responsive to changing needs. Designing government services means figuring out the best way to deliver them to citizens. This includes deciding on service locations, hours of operation, and the methods used, whether in person, online, or by phone. Good service design takes into account accessibility, convenience, and user feedback to ensure that services are truly helpful. Many government services are now available online, making them more accessible and efficient. Digital transformation involves updating systems, training staff, and ensuring cybersecurity. Online services allow citizens to access information and support from anywhere at any time, reducing wait times and paperwork. Despite the rise of digital services, physical service centers remain important. These centers provide face-to-face support for those who prefer or need in-person assistance. Staff at these centers help citizens fill out forms, answer questions, and resolve issues, ensuring that everyone can access government services regardless of their digital skills. To reach remote or underserved communities, governments often use mobile and outreach services. These might include mobile health clinics, traveling libraries, or pop-up information booths. Outreach ensures that even those in hard-to-reach areas receive the support and information they need. Effective communication is key to delivering government services. Governments use various channels, websites, hotlines, social media, and printed materials to inform citizens about available services and how to access them. Clear communication helps reduce confusion and ensures that everyone knows their options. Many government services require citizens to register or apply. This process often involves providing identification, proof of residence, or other documents. Registration helps governments verify eligibility and tailor services to individual needs. It's a crucial step in ensuring that services reach the right people. Not all services are available to everyone. Governments assess eligibility based on criteria such as age, income, residency, or special needs. This ensures that resources are directed to those who need them most. The assessment process is designed to be fair and transparent, with clear guidelines for applicants. Government services can be delivered in various ways: in person, online, by mail, or even over the phone. The choice of method depends on the type of service and the needs of the population. Offering multiple delivery options ensures that everyone can access support in a way that works for them. After services are delivered, governments monitor and evaluate their effectiveness. This involves collecting feedback, analyzing data, and measuring outcomes. Continuous evaluation helps identify areas for improvement and ensures that services remain relevant and effective over time. Citizens play a vital role in improving government services by providing feedback. Governments set up hotlines, surveys, and online forums to gather opinions and suggestions. This input helps shape future services and ensures that they meet the real needs of the community. Transparency and accountability are essential for building trust in government services. Governments publish reports, hold public meetings, and provide access to information so citizens can see how decisions are made and resources are used. This openness helps prevent corruption and ensures that services are delivered fairly. Technology has revolutionized the way government services are delivered. From online portals to mobile apps and automated systems, technology makes services faster, more efficient, and more accessible. It also enables better data collection and analysis, leading to smarter decision-making. With more services moving online, protecting citizens' data and privacy is a top priority. Governments implement strict security measures, such as encryption and secure authentication, to safeguard personal information. Clear privacy policies help citizens understand how their data is used and protected. Government services must be inclusive, ensuring that everyone, regardless of age, ability, language, or background, can access support. This means providing materials in multiple languages, offering services for people with disabilities, and addressing the needs of marginalized groups. In times of crisis, such as natural disasters or public health emergencies, governments mobilize special services to protect citizens. Emergency hotlines, shelters, and rapid response teams are activated to provide immediate assistance and keep communities safe. Healthcare is one of the most vital government services. From public hospitals and clinics to vaccination programs and health education, governments work to ensure that everyone has access to medical care. These services are often subsidized or free, making healthcare more affordable and accessible. Education is another cornerstone of government support. Public schools, scholarships, and adult education programs help citizens of all ages learn and grow. By investing in education, governments empower individuals and strengthen communities for the future. Public safety services include police, fire departments, and emergency medical teams. These services are designed to protect citizens, prevent crime, and respond quickly to accidents or disasters. Governments invest in training, equipment, and community outreach to keep everyone safe. Governments provide transportation services such as public buses, trains, and road maintenance. These services make it easier for people to commute, access jobs, and connect with their communities. Reliable transportation is essential for economic growth and social inclusion. Social welfare services support vulnerable populations, including the elderly, disabled, and low-income families. Programs may include financial assistance, housing support, food aid, and counseling. These services help reduce inequality and promote social stability. Infrastructure services include the construction and maintenance of roads, bridges, water supply, and electricity. These foundational services are essential for daily life and economic development. Governments invest heavily in infrastructure to support growth and improve living standards. Environmental services focus on protecting natural resources and promoting sustainability. Governments manage parks, regulate pollution, and run recycling programs. These efforts help preserve the environment for future generations and promote public health. Cultural services include libraries, museums, and arts programs. These services enrich communities, support creativity, and preserve heritage. By investing in culture, governments foster a sense of identity and belonging among citizens. Citizens are encouraged to participate in shaping government services. This can include voting, attending public meetings, or joining advisory boards. Active participation helps ensure that services reflect the needs and values of the community. Sometimes, governments partner with private companies to deliver services more efficiently. These public-private partnerships can bring in new expertise, technology, and investment, improving service quality and reach. However, they require careful oversight to ensure public interests are protected. Governments often work together across borders to address global challenges. International cooperation can include sharing best practices, coordinating disaster response, or tackling issues like climate change. These efforts help improve services and promote peace and stability worldwide. Delivering government services is not without challenges. Issues like limited funding, bureaucratic delays, and changing public needs can make it difficult to provide timely and effective support. Governments must constantly adapt and innovate to overcome these obstacles and serve citizens better. Innovation is key to improving government services. New technologies, creative solutions, and pilot programs can help governments respond to emerging needs and deliver better results. Encouraging innovation ensures that services remain relevant and effective in a rapidly changing world. Let's look at a real-world example. Improving healthcare access in rural areas. Governments may deploy mobile clinics, telemedicine, and community health workers to reach people who live far from hospitals. By adapting services to local needs, they ensure that everyone can receive medical care no matter where they live. Another example is the shift to digital government services. Many countries now offer online tax filing, digital ID cards, and e-government portals. These innovations make it easier for citizens to access services, save time, and reduce paperwork. During natural disasters, governments must act quickly to provide shelter, food, and medical care. Coordinated disaster response involves multiple agencies working together, using technology and logistics to reach affected communities and save lives. To improve education access, governments may provide free school meals, transportation, and scholarships. Special programs for disadvantaged students help close achievement gaps and ensure that every child has the opportunity to succeed. Social welfare programs, such as unemployment benefits and food assistance, help people during tough times. Governments use data and feedback to improve these programs and ensure they reach those who need them most. The future of government services is likely to be even more digital, personalized, and responsive. Advances in artificial intelligence, big data, and automation will help governments anticipate needs and deliver support more efficiently. Citizens can look forward to more convenient, user-friendly services in the years ahead. Accessing government services comes with both rights and responsibilities. Citizens have the right to fair treatment and support, but they also have a duty to provide accurate information and follow rules. Understanding these responsibilities helps maintain a strong relationship between citizens and government. If you need to access a government service, start by visiting official websites or contacting local offices. Gather any required documents and follow the application instructions carefully. If you have questions, don't hesitate to ask for help. Government staff are there to assist you. Continuous improvement is at the heart of effective government services. By listening to citizens, adopting new technologies, and learning from best practices, governments can deliver better support and adapt to changing needs. Your feedback and participation make a real difference. We've explored how government services are planned, funded, delivered, and improved. From healthcare and education to emergency response and digital innovation, these services touch every aspect of our lives. Understanding the process helps us appreciate the work behind the scenes and empowers us to make the most of what's available. As society evolves, so too will government services. By staying informed, participating in the process, and sharing feedback, citizens can help shape the future of public support. Together, we can build stronger, more responsive communities where everyone has the opportunity to thrive.